Hey y'all, we may get some rain out here on the left coast, so I better get cooking. Fred, are you ready for some cooking? Oh, how about you, Baha? She's ready for itching. Okay, let's get started. It's Sunday morning and we got eggs. We got pancake batter. What could we do with those? I reckon we could try some pancakes maybe. Maybe a little pancake. Maybe I should try a bigger pancake. Nah, she brought me this little scoop, so we'll go with the little pancakes. You see, the first two are already bubbling up. You drinking that free bowl up and eating that rainbow stew. That means they're ready to flip already. And I have the griddle on low, but sometimes low can be hot. Okay, we're gonna have extra batter, so let me check that out. This is my I can go a little bit more, I guess, get a little browner. Pick this up at someplace, grocery outlet. See, it's got the beveled edges, and I've got all these high-priced name brand or semi-name brand spatulas. They don't have quite the bevel. Oh, look at the bubbling. Oh, that means it's ready. Uh-oh. If you know how to flip. Not all of us have the flip down pat. Sorry. Got one for a couple more now. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. I'm running out of room. That's about done. Maybe scoot everything over. Till I pour out one more mega. Okay, it's not even enough for a mega pancake, but it's a pancake. Pancake batter. We got plates. Look at that. Huh? That's not so bad, huh? Suppose I could spread these out over a couple of... Uh-oh. Egg ring. Da-da-da. Ready to flip. Look at that. Pancakes are so easy sometimes, and sometimes not so easy. Right, Fred? Right, Baja? I have lots of supervision from puppies today. And so those are finishing up. Put down a couple of egg rings. Get the pancake stuff from out underneath. This is great for your egg rings and your eggs. Helps keep them sticking, even though it's silicone and pretty much non-sticky. They stick a little. So I know the experts are saying that's not the way you do whatever. And, well, I'm not an expert. Sorry, I'm just a man with a camera and a griddle. Remember, our motto is, we screw up so you don't have to. You know how many pancakes I screwed up? You know how many eggs I screwed up? Actually, I haven't screwed up any eggs. They're still eggs. Even if they ain't pretty, they eat just as good as ugly food eats just as good as pretty food. That's my motto. So, we don't, actually I kind of like Wakey, but my lovely assistant does not like Wakey. And this is my salt, pepper, garlic, etc. Mrs. Dash and paprika, other assorted goodies. Let's take a look here. Oh, yum. I actually have more pancakes than we can eat. I don't know what I can do with leftover pancakes. I'll figure something out. Okay. This one took me a while to figure out. Use the egg rings. Ta-da! I did it! Yay! Like I said, she does not like Wakey at all. So we make sure there's no yolk. Make sure it's fully cooked. And on mine, I'm going to add a little bit of South African smoke. Let's see how it does. Because I kind of like this stuff. So mine's done with its smoky yumminess. Take a random plate here. Yummy egg goodiness. Give her just a little bit more. Yeah. Now hers isn't as pretty as mine. Like I said, it eats just as good. So, are you ready for our close-up? Yay, eggs and pancakes. What a simple Sunday breakfast. No, Fred, the eggs are not for you. So, hold on. Okay, that's Sunday breakfast. Thanks for watching. And we beat the rain, if there is any rain, who knows. But thanks for watching, thanks for following, subscribing, liking, sharing, constructive comments, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. We'll see you next time. Bye!